Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we are celebrating!
Woohoo! Today is our 5-year anniversary of posting the very first video on YouTube. And that video was in fact where we're standing. We rescreened my porch 5 years ago.
So we're back in the porch, and this time we're doing some deep cleaning because you know what? We have not cleaned it in 5 years. We've cleaned a little, but not deep cleaning. So come along with us and we'll show you what we did.
We gathered our cleaning supplies and started at the top. We're using our multi-positional ladder so we can reach the ceiling, and we're using a magic eraser and microfiber cloth to clean. To clean the screen, we're just using water on a microfiber cloth, and you can see the dirt that it picks up. We clean both sides of the screen with the microfiber cloth and water. We also cleaned the really dirty fan, which we believe has years of smoke on it from our annual 4th of July fireworks and from many campfires. This is the top of the blades. Oh my goodness, it was dirty. While we were cleaning the light cover, we also realized there was old incandescent bulbs inside the fixture, and we took this opportunity to swap them out for LEDs. Please note, since this is a fully enclosed fixture, we needed to buy LEDs that are designed for enclosed fixtures, which we found at Home Depot. To clean the frames around the screen, we're using a magic eraser, and as you can see, it was really dirty. I also took this opportunity to tighten the screen door and spray the hinges with WD Specialist Spray and Stay lubricant. I also cleaned the screens on the door. We're wearing masks and eye protection because there's a lot of pollen and dust on the screens and in the air. While cleaning, I also noticed the frame around the door was missing a screw on the bottom, so I removed one of the screws, took it to my garage and found one that was similar and replaced the missing one. Next, we took our Gorilla ladder outside, and because it's made to work in multiple positions, we were able to keep one side straight and angle the other so I could get close to the screen safely. We found the wet microfiber cloth on a Swiffer worked well on these taller sections. We adjusted our ladder so that half could be in this planter and the other side could be near the screen. We also reattached any spots that the screen had come out of the track, and we're using a spline mouse to do this. This tool is available at the door and window section of the Home Depot. Here you can see a good shot of how dirty the screen was and how clean it got. It was so dirty it had started to turn green. Ugh. Lastly, the carpet was gross and had never been cleaned. So we removed everything in preparation for the carpet to be professionally cleaned. In a previous video, we shared some tips from Robert, who owns Silver Lining Carpet Care and Restoration here in Tallahassee. So he's the guy that's doing the cleaning right here. We'll put a link in the description to that video. I have to say, the pictures don't do it justice. The carpet truly looks brand new in person.
What we learned. A key tool in the cleaning of this porch was this new ladder that we have. This would have been so helpful when we rescreened this 5 years ago. It allowed us to work on uneven surfaces, to get even the very highest point of this. It is absolutely perfect, and we really recommend it.
When we were researching how to clean the screen, we actually found some different products, but we weren't able to actually order those. So the simplest solution actually worked really well. Just a microfiber cloth with water, and you can find those readily available at many locations. So I think this is a very doable project.
It's springtime here in Florida, and we're having the most amazing, beautiful weather, but we have a very small window of opportunity to actually be outside before it gets too hot. So it's been a perfect time since we have lots of time on our hands, and it's been actually very relaxing and stress reducing to take our time to just really spend time outside and to clean.
Yes. If you want to help us celebrate our 5-year anniversary, please hit the thumbs up on this video. And also, we send out an email once a week with all our latest projects and also some behind the scenes, and you can sign up for that in the link below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye.
Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today
we are...
Okay. You say it. I won't say it. Okay. Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki. And today we are
celebrating! Woohoo!
So what are we celebrating? Absolutely perfect.
I'm so proud of that
and
one.
We're excited because we didn't block the camera.
That's
with the
actually
balloons.
really impressive.